Today I made my own GUI called Liam JKAJ776 GUI. This is the main with net. See, look at the name, and look. I made it. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's try. Oh, snow back there, no. Okay, let's try. Lalol hub. Oh, they also have lalol. So, yeah, like halfling. It it brings people in a certain way. I don't know why I can't link them, but it works. It's because I have no hat. I'm gonna fix it. It's not clean and very ugly, so yeah. Bye.